guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, why am I whispering? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a very simple drink that will help you burn some belly fat. So without wasting time, let's get right into the video. First, I'm going to be telling you guys what we'll be using, and I'll also tell you some health benefits of whatever we're using today. Lemon helps digest food easily, which prevents the buildup of toxins. Turmeric has several benefits. It improves digestion, detoxifies the liver, boosts immune system, and improves the skin. Mint leaf. It contains menthol, which protects the lining of the stomach, and it also helps in preventing gastric ulcer. Ginger aids in digestion, and it also helps cut down belly fat. Honey. Combining honey and ginger aids in digestion and also ease stomach irritation. Pineapple, which is the main ingredient, has lots of vitamin and antioxidants that helps reduce inflammation of joints and muscles. It also improves oral and eye care, and it's also a good remedy for curing cold and cough. So you're going to cut your pineapple into smaller pieces. You don't need to take out the skin. You'll just cut it and wash it thoroughly. You can also use vinegar to wash it. I didn't use vinegar, but you can use vinegar. Once you're done washing your pineapple, you chop your ginger into smaller pieces also. Use as much ginger as possible. Don't even sleep on the ginger. Make sure you add as much ginger as you want. After that, you'd also chop your turmeric. We're using the turmeric. Don't use the turmeric powder, please. Now for the water, you can use your jug to measure the water. So I usually add 1.5, and I know in the process of boiling the water is going to go down. So at the end of the day, I have 1 full jug. So just, you can see I'm adding more. Just add, and then I added the mint leaf. after that, cover it and let it boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. As you guys can see, our juice is ready. I'm going to take out the pineapple. I also added some mint leaf after taking out the pineapple. I just, that's just me being extra, guys. Squeeze in your lemon. I ended up using just one lemon. And then you allow it to cool down for a bit before adding your sweetener, which is the honey. After that, you just sieve it out. That's it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and also let me know in the comment section if you try it out. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.